Good morning, guys. Once again, today, 22nd June. So let's see how we can do a live trade before I go to the gym. So I just got up late. Currently, Nifty is in 0.05, which is close to zero. Okay, so this is dancing, it's dropping, again going up. Let me go to money control. Just have a scan. Okay, this market reversing. Which is the market mover? HCL Tech. Okay, not bad. And index. IT. Okay, HCL Tech is in the top. 919. Let me go to the charts and see. Nifty is 0.02, so recovering. Then let's go with HCL Tech. Okay. You see, one chance is RSI is already in crossed above the 70. There are chances that this RSI will come back down to 30 also, but there is a chance that even this can go above 70, back to 70. It's already gone up currently, so let's wait. Let's not take the risk. Okay, so Nifty now is moving to 0.10. Looks like Nifty is gonna dance today. Just dial. We go with a 3-minute candle for now. Nifty is 0.09. during this time it's not safe to enter because right, Nifty will go again to positive, the stock will go top again. From there the Nifty will come back to negative again, stock will come down. So you need to get a proper clarity. As I always tell you, 0.20 is a proper way. When it crosses above 0.20 plus, it is a good buy side, and if it crosses below negative 0.20, then it's a strong sell. Until then it is like, it's in the middle. So you need to just check or wait for some time. So M&M is coming up, looks like. Top loser is UPL, Coal India. HCL Tech came down. Coal India, UPL. Which else we saw in the top? M&M. Mahindra and Mahindra. It's not in the top. This looks good for me. Paying 10 rupees back. $899.86. The highest is 52-week high is 933. Okay. Beta is 0.89. There are no events for today, I guess. So all looks good. Nifty is still dancing between, so either it can be positive or negative. Any side movement, it keeps moving a bit up and down, up and down. So let's quickly take off the money. I know the stock will fluctuate very fast and it may go down again. Hope it's not crossed. So it's just crossed the RSI above. Hope it continues a little bit more above 70, so that, or else we need to wait. So what is 0.3% of 9? It's almost 90 paisa into 3, that is 2 rupees 70 paisa. So we took it at this, right? So 92.50 is our target, minimum target, but it has gone up to 902 for now. Little bit barrier in the 902 if you see. Nifty. No, Nifty is going a bit against, but the stock is trying to push up. Little bit of resistance in that 902 if you see the number of stocks. It needs some time. If you have some time, then it will push it up. Again 901.85, 901.7 and 901.75. Looking at the chart, okay, dun, 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 dun. Pivot points is still far away. Currently it needs a support. This, this. One more candle for us is important right now. And this RSI is still going above 70. Hope it continues and give us a breakthrough above. Let's have a look on the Nifty. By then Nifty is going negative, so the other stocks like Coal India, is it going down or up? Coal India is stagnant right now, but if you see the RSI is below over here, either this should go below 30 for sell, or else this stock will again go up. At least it may hit the super trend also, 266, so it may recover. So selling right now is not good. Over here it's already down and it's taking support, and if you see RSI is recovering back, and anytime if it comes up, the stock will move a bit up. And if you see the super trend is also close bit. So let's see. Okay, so now market is going towards negative side, towards the sell side, almost 0.1617. So let's wait and watch once our stock goes towards 902.50. Okay, till then I'll go get ready for my gym. So stock price has gone up, and planning to sell the stock. The highest is 906. So I sold it at 904.7. It is around 5 rupees profit. It's almost 0.5 to 0.6% of the stock. So that is nothing but 12% profit. So
So hope you guys have got an idea how I chose this stock. Early morning I just chose this stock by looking into money control, and after that I picked the top stock and I reconfirmed with the Indian indexes. But if you see, Nifty was dancing between 0.20 positive and negative. That's why the movement was very less, so I waited, and I also showed you guys there was a blocked deal over here for 900. Then again it got stuck over here 903, and finally it broke it and went up to 906. So it's going based on 33 rupees. So I finally decided to exit. End of the day, profit is a profit, so we have a profit of 3147. Hope you like this video. Please do hit that like button and also comment on this video. If you like such videos, then I'll do more of such vlog videos, and subscribe also. See you soon in the next video. Bye bye.